kind of getting sick of all this cooking shit, bro.
Really? You want to press the button?
You want to press the button, Joji? You know which one we're gonna press?
Off pulse.
No.
Wow. Which one of us would be better off working in your capacity? I don't know, man. I think we should get a caterer. I think that might be the move.
I don't know. I feel like it's not fun. It's like there's no challenge to
Cooking's not fun.
it. Cooking is fun.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah. There we go, man.
Oh, this is looking nice. I'm ready. Wow.
Yeah.
3, 2, 1.
Go. Listen, I think it's beneficial to throw a little bit of money at problems sometimes. Let me get this one, and we can relax and chill. It's gonna be fine.
All right. Yo, I'm Rich Brian,
I'm Joji.
and we're celebrating the 80 Rising Head in the Clouds album and tour by cooking for our friends at our end of summer party house.
The thing is, though, I don't think we really know how to cook.
Welcome to the Feast Mansion.
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 Yo, what up? I'm Rich Brian.
I'm Joji.
You're watching the best fucking cooking show in the world, but today we're not gonna be cooking. We're gonna be doing a taste test for takoyaki.
Takoyaki is octopus balls. You take little pieces and you make a ball. You can find takoyakis usually, I feel like you can find them at fairs. Kind of like how here there might be like a taco truck. Like there'd be like a takoyaki stand. I feel like it's always run by like an old lady who had zero calcium growing up. So it's like this and she's serving takoyaki.
Jesus Christ.
But I got this caterer, super fire. Like all kinds of balls that we can have. It's good. You down for that? Like we bring them out?
Yeah,
You don't look down.
I'm down.
All right, let's bring the old bastard out. I think we should try the classic version just to kind of set the baseline. The batter's made with dashi, eggs, soy sauce, and flour. Then it's filled with octopus, green onions, and pickled red ginger and shit like that. Then it's topped. What?
No, this is the funniest fucking cooking show ever.
Then it's topped with Kewpie mayonnaise, takoyaki sauce, which is kind of like low-key just eel sauce, and then bonito flakes.
Are you ready for this?
Yep. Oh, yeah. It's pretty good.
You said like in Japan there's like the takoyaki stands. I feel like in Indonesia like the go-to kind of like street food is like people that sell just like fried stuff, just like straight up like they fry like plantains and like cassavas and like
Do they do insects over there?
No, I've never ate an insect in my life.
Really?
Before. Yeah.
Dude, I think we could easily like cut down on the meat if everyone just like straight up just ate fried insects.
What kind of insects?
I don't know, like dragonfly.
Oh wow.
Like,
dude, there's actually an Indonesian like kind of like myth thing. You know how like when you're like a little boy, you like to like wet the bed and shit. You like to pee your pants.
I still do.
You basically take a dragonfly and just like let it bite your dick.
Huh?
You take a dragonfly and just like let it bite your fucking dick.
This is a thing?
This is an actual thing, and people do. Oh wait, no, not your dick, your belly button. I think we got the baseline. You know, we tried the classic. I'm down to try the next one. Are you down?
Yeah. I got some crazy shit lined up.
All right.
Let your nuts hang.
Oh shit. What is this, Joji?
It's takoyaki with the cheeseburger ingredients. It's got like,
Oh shit. That's crazy.
it's got whoa, that's like real clean cut lettuce. Wait, but yeah, it's got lettuce, tomato, cheese, and beef.
I'm gonna keep it real with this shit.
That ain't it. That ain't it.
Don't ever order this shit. Like, I get it, we're in America and shit, but nobody's gonna want to eat this shit in the park. They want a cheeseburger, they'll get that shit. But this, I don't know about this one, Joji. was the final verdict? Do we give it a thumbs up or a thumbs down?
Yeah. I was gonna give it like a 7 p.m.
Yeah, it's 6 for me.
I don't want to give it like a full thumbs down.
Yeah.
Like the effort was like some sums up.
If I was like just born and I didn't know anything about takoyakis or cheeseburger and I eat that, that'd be amazing. But I know about those things.
Yeah. Whoa, where'd this come from?
Joji, what is this?
We got takoyaki with marshmallows, chocolate,
Wow.
Nutella.
That actually sounds amazing.
Yeah, it's a dessert takoyaki.
I feel like I'm gonna like this one a lot.
Yeah, I already know too, because it's just like, I feel like it's pretty similar to just pancake dough.
Wow, this is so good.
The dough could be a little bit sweeter, maybe. I'm only tasting the condiments right now, though.
So when I was like a kid, I was in Indonesia listening to like Tyler the Creator at home, and then he had a song about s'mores. And when I came here, I finally like had it for the first time. It was amazing. But this kind of reminds me of the s'mores because you got the marshmallows and then it's chocolate.
There's no octopus in it, right? Okay.
Yeah, what do you think of this, Joji? What's the final verdict?
The final verdict?
3,
2, 1.
Instead of this, it's this.
Oh, you're going OD.
This no, it's like not quite.
Not quite.
Yeah.
Oh,
maybe this.
are we going by different? Oh, I see.
Yeah, because
Okay.
I'm using my left hand. So this is like 11 p.m. right here.
Oh, are you considering the camera angle and stuff? I'm not. Okay,
Yeah.
I'm dumb.
I feel like, to be honest with you, I feel like you're kind of throwing money at the problem. I feel like we can do this shit. Like, I feel like we can cook it, like, by ourselves. I don't think we need to, like, pay a caterer. We need the money to pay for J. Cole to show up.
We gotta pay him not to show up. I'm kidding. We fuck with J. Cole. You can keep that, but we fuck with J. Cole. All right, fine. We'll cook it.
Cool.
We can do that.
We already got all this shit.
We do have the stuff. Yeah,
Yeah.
you're right.
So the first thing you do is take this bottle full of batter and you fill it up halfway. Jesus Christ, Joji, you fill it up halfway. Halfway.
Got it.
I don't know how much you want to put in there because I've never made this before, but
You just put in like 1 or 2 pieces. Doesn't matter.
Yeah.
Sometimes I could be totally wrong.
yeah. I like to put quite a bit in there because I love octopus. I actually don't watch any cooking show, ever.
Really? I watch Guys Grocery Games a lot. That shit's fire. What's up, guys?
I really want to see Guy Fieri just fucking angry.
Yo, one Guy Fieri punch, like, all it takes is one, I feel like.
Yeah.
That's it! Yeah.
Just fucking...
Like, the spikes, like, come out, like,
Yeah.
Yeah. What about, like, one professional fist fight with Bobby Flay?
I'm down.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I feel like Bobby Flay's got a really high kick. He's like, talking to you like this, and then suddenly, like, it's like... And then, like, his foot is, like, right by your ear.
I mean, I think, like, this is, like, dirty fighting, but, like, who fucking cares? Like, I just, like, kick him in the balls.
Or, like
that's
gouge his
not-
eyes out or something.
I don't want to go that far because I don't like...
You'd kick someone's balls but not gouge their eyes out?
Yeah. Gouging
Bobby
their eyes
Flay's
out
balls.
means that you're taking his vision away from him forever.
Yeah, that's true. What if we... Oh, dude, if we took his sense of taste away?
What have you done? Oh, my God. So fucked up.
Guys, what are you... Okay.
Jesus. I got at least like one done. How many you have done?
I got a few done here.
You got a few.
Let's pop... Oh. Kewpie mayo, 100%. Gotta go down. You want to put
yeah.
that shit on?
Yeah.
You want to get that sauce
Yeah,
on
I'm
there.
gonna get the sauce. Then I'm gonna put the...
Good move.
gas. You have sunglasses on now. Have you had them the whole time?
Yeah.
I didn't notice that.
Yeah, let's try it.
I want to try yours actually. Yours look really good.
Yeah.
You know?
Got him. Oh. It was good.
It was hot as fuck, but it was really good. You know what, Joji? I'm gonna swallow my fucking pride. I think you're right. I think we just pay a caterer because we obviously can't do this shit. I mean, look at this. It's way harder than I thought.
Yeah, like we'll call the caterer and then we'll get that figured out.
Yeah. So the final lesson is at home. If you want to make takoyaki, just get a caterer, or else you'll end up with this mess. Just don't even try. Just pay somebody to do it.
Throw money at problems,
So who's gonna clean all this shit up?
not us.
We got history. Got me feeling the nostalgia when you look at me. Thinking about what could have happened or what could have been. Finally, your face, I know, ain't that a sight to see. Take my time to take your clothes off one more time, maybe. Acting like you don't recall it, ain't impressing me. Didn't come to see your friends, I know you came from me. Like your dress, but you fit better in my wrinkled tee. We moved on to newer things, but we got history.